Welcome to Solver Fee.
All right, so in the given question, we have been asked to determine the sample size. So here we have a prior estimate of 22%, that is 0.22, and the confidence level is 90%, right? So the value of the critical value that will be used is 1.645. All right. Now, in the first part of the question, the margin of error is zero point zero 0.08, right? So the sample size is computed by the formula, that is critical value upon margin of error whole square into P into 1 minus P, right? So this will be equal to 1.645 upon zero point zero 0.08 whole square into 0.22 into 1 minus 0.22. So this is 72.5552953, that is approximately equal to 73, right? Now, in the next part of the question, we have a margin of error of 5%, that is zero point zero 0.05. So now our sample size, this will be 1.645 upon zero point zero 0.05 whole square into 0.22 into 1 minus 0.22. So here just the value of the margin of error has changed and all the other values are same, right? So here this will be equal to 185.741556, that is approximately 186. All right. And in the last part, the margin of error are assuming is 4%, that is zero point zero 0.04. So now the sample size will be 1.645 upon zero point zero 0.04 whole square into P into sorry, this is 0.22 into 1 minus 0.22. So this will be equal to, so this is 290.221181, that is approximately equal to 291, right? So that will be the answer for this question. Hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.